Today we set off to tick off a bucket list item, to sail under the Golden Gate Bridge and into San Francisco Bay's anchorage at Aquatic Cove. We left Drake's Bay on motor, as we were hopeful to find a breeze further out. This was Drake's Bay, where we anchored just for last night. Good anchorage. Pelicans coming over. Whoa, he's a big boy. We're heading round here and we're going to go to Golden Gate Bridge. We've got some wind, so that means the main is going up now. Bill's just taking the cover off. Looking hopeful for sailing under the Golden Gate Bridge. Oh yeah. Right, hurry up. We'll just make out the top of Golden Gate Bridge. Oh, where are we? Here. I don't know how clear it is on here, but all those little dots along the horizon line there, it's all fishing boats outside San Francisco. Tons of them. All the little bumps on the horizon there. How are you feeling? I was arriving.
That's arriving?
Yeah.
San Fran. Yeah, it'd be nice, wouldn't it? Stop a few days, get our parcels.
Be cool to go under the bridge.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, it'd be good to go on the bridge, wouldn't it? It'd be nice if we had a little bit more wind.
It would, yeah.
Less flies.
But the sun's out.
Yeah, the sun's lovely though.
The flies are definitely out.
Yeah. How do you feel?
Yeah, I'm excited. It's going to be a weird feeling though, because we've been wanting to do this for so long now. Like, just to go under the bridge. So it'll be exciting to... So we're finally here today. And it's such a last minute decision as well to come today. So we were going to wait a few days and... But
Just getting there now.
yeah.
A few days no wind at all, so
Yeah.
try to ride this last little breath of wind so we got out here.
Yeah, it should be good. I'm excited. See it now, getting closer. See the pelicans. I'm going to pick them up on them. It's a shot we've never got before. Yeah, the noise of it. happening? The noise of them is like amazing. The noise you hear isn't the waves, it's the birds' wings. There's so many birds. The Golden Gate was in sight and we were counting our stars that we could get there before sunset, switching on our engine just to give us a little boost. Made it to Golden Gate Bridge. There we go under it.
Nearly. 20 minutes, half hour.
Yeah?
Yeah, straight under.
Another one achieved. Another one ticked off the list.
Same with the tide against this.
So beautiful. We're just about to go under the bridge. Quite swelly, but we've got our sail up. So we can literally say we have sailed underneath Golden Gate Bridge. Wow. Yeah.
You go slipping in. Down underneath.
Let's go underneath you. Are you gonna fit? Looks like it's not. I know it will, but it looks like it's not going to.
There we go.
Oh, we're under. Woo-hoo. Oh yeah.
She's Golden Gate Bridge.
Whoa.
So we're back on the other side.
Yeah, we did it. Okay. There it is.
Up there.
Oh.
chasing us in.
That's pretty cool. Over there, if anyone saw our RV series, that's where we were at Fort Baker with our RV in 2023, I think it was.
2 years ago.
Yeah.
That's cool. It's not there.
Oh yeah, more bridge. There are moments in sailing that feel bigger than the journey itself, and this is definitely one of them. We've driven across this bridge before. We've stood on either side of it looking out into the Pacific, imagining what it would be like. But this time, it's different. This time, we're not looking at it. We're sailing beneath it. The Golden Gate Bridge isn't just a landmark, it's a gateway. And for so many sailors, this is where the adventure truly begins, where the coastline falls behind you and the open ocean lies ahead. And now, we're part of that story. Alcatraz Island. I like getting the wind wave and everything in. It's cool.
I get some sunshine. Quite cool, see around there.
Yeah. This is our anchorage. It is Aquatic Cove Park. $10 a night, not bad. You can take dinghy to shore, and Fisherman's Wharf is literally right there, so that's so cool. On our way in, we already got greeted by our neighbours. Beautiful. Beautiful. After anchoring, we loaded Ducky and headed to shore. This is where we visited when we came back in 22, I think it was, for Bill's birthday. And we had our first ever chowder bowl, clam chowder.
Bowl, bread bowl.
Yeah, that's the one.
I'm happy to.
Yeah? No, I know. And put them again, it's really good. Nom nom nom.
So scratch the spinach. Yes, please. Yeah. So snap yes.
We got gummies, we got raspberries, we got sours, we got sour, we got big eggs, we got shark. Thank you so much for watching. If you're enjoying our videos, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. And a special thank you to our YouTube members and Patreons, helping us to keep sailing along.